What's good, y'all? Rock back. Feel me? Back with another video. About to knock at this trade recap. Feel me? It's 9:55 right now at night. Trade is Asian gold. I'm gonna show y'all the trade I took tonight. I originally tried to take a short continuation because I was looking at the 4-hour candle and I see we was getting a lot of bearish movement, so I was seeing we could continue from here, but I seen this fair value gap. I knew it was a chance that we could push higher, but I just wanted to see if we could keep it very low here. We ended up breaking through my stop loss, and I reverted my entry to bullish, and I took this entry right here, and then it basically just ended up consolidating, and I ended up missing the entry down here, so ended up wicking me out right around here just now, taking me out of position. I wasn't really tripping about this trade because my mindset going there was hitting this 1400 or breaking even, risk free. It being a risk free trade, I wasn't really tripping. I wasn't really gonna move my stop loss back down here because originally I had a 17-point stop loss here, but I moved it to break even when I see it started breaking above this previous high, but it just started consolidating after that, man. And after that, it just woke me out, and I was sitting in that trade for about like 45 minutes. So I feel like if it's not gonna continue to go higher here, like I'm gonna just chill and get off because I already lost 684. Risked a little too high on that first trade, not realizing the micros for gold was a little too much. I was willing to risk, and I really don't trade Sunday open Asia really like that anyway. So I want to kind of minimize my risk, and I don't want to tilt this session. So just trying to save as much drawdown for New York Open tomorrow, and gonna try to pass this account and get funded. But a little confluence while I took this trade. Seeing price was heading, and it was more of a downtrend off market open. I was gonna see if we could obviously catch this downtrend, so I marked out these standard deviation levels and try to catch a short originally, like I said, off this downtrend, but it ended up just breaking through, and I was able to catch a long up here, and it started consolidating a little too late and knocked me on my trade. It's looking like it's still gonna consolidate for a while, so I'm not even really tripping. Like I said, I'm just glad I got the eval to damn near $50,000 balance, so I still have enough drawdown to play with tomorrow. So, like I said, what I was really looking at in this trade, simple. Looking for this 4-hour candle. It's probably going to most likely open up bullish. I was looking for that to continue up, but price is looking a little slow right now. So, but it did look like a good trade. The hour candle was bullish. The 30-minute looked good. The 15 looked beautiful. 5, like, start consolidating around the lower time frame. So I do expect it to go up, but I just wanted to get this trade recap out. I'm grinding for me, myself, for y'all, man. Getting this content out. And yeah, man, I'm gonna keep being consistent on the tube, post on TikTok, and I'm gonna show the clip of what happened in the trade after this. But yeah, I'm out. It was a cool recap. I don't know if I have a problem with like getting into trades too early, but I low-key should have just held my stop, because now I'm looking at it, should have just held my stop at the 17-point mark and just rode it, because this new 4-hour candle doing what I expected to do. It's bullish, and I expected to fill this gap, so hopefully we get a retracement. Maybe I could get in, but yeah, that shit just took off. That's unfortunate, bro. Would have hit my entry, but we can see if we can get a pullback. I don't know, man. We'll see. Definitely possible, but I think I might just get off. Keep it a buck. It's frustrating, very frustrating. This is just one of the hard part. I can't even freaking talk, bro. That shit just pissed me off. It's one of the hard parts about trading, bro. Just learn how to deal with your emotions, learn when to stop, not over trading, and just not reacting to the market, bro. shit did what it did already. I just gotta manage my capital, bro. That's the main part about trading, bro. Protect your capital. Only get in to good setups and not just rush. But I'm really mad at myself because I should have held the stop loss. But I knew my risks with being down 600 already. I knew what my risks were, to be honest. Should have went with 5 MGC. Took that first L, kind of messed me up because my second trade ended up having to risk less, but it is what it is, man. It is what it is. On to the next. I just wanted to show y'all this. But I do like that I did predict the direction. I wanted to test out. I shouldn't have tested out those shorts with MGC. If I did wanted to test it out, I probably should have just sized down, but the long for sure was there as soon as it just started respecting. And then the 4 hour obviously opening bullish is that's amazing. But I'm mad because all this profit could have been mine, but it is what it is. On to the next day. Deal with the emotions later. I'm not even gonna think about this trade tomorrow. I'm gonna post this video. I'm gonna be done with this. I'm not gonna think about this trade and I'm gonna hop off the charts because I don't even know if there's a lockout feature for Lucid. They really do need one because there be times where it's so easy to tell on. It's so easy to tell on Lucid, but I'm not going to. I'm gonna just get off. But I just want to show y'all this.